Hey, early good morning, everybody, or late twilight hours, 2:55 a.m. And we're going to do something holiday related. We're going to make these crusties blueberry muffins, but we're going to make a blueberry loaf. Mostly because I don't know if I have cupcake papers, the cups, and therefore this becomes a little bit easier. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. This is a can of wild blueberries. I wonder if that means when you go in the woods you find these cans hanging off trees. No, you don't. You find blueberries. Now, we have our packet in there. The instructions back here. Just to make less of a mess. Avoiding a mess is always good. All right. That was pretty efficient. Now it says 2/3 cup of water, which I have here. Okay. Vegetable oil, 2/3 of a cup. I don't think that's enough, but I'm going to just double check. Of course, that's the wrong side. Oh, we got to go right there, 2/3. See if we got close enough. Pretty darn close. One more dollop should do it. Yeah, I'm going to go with that. All right. Now we've got to get the old mixer, whisker. Mix that up. I think I left the dog outside. It's dark. Let me go get her. Okay, well, we're back, and the pooch didn't want to come inside. She's sitting out there waiting for some wild friend. And now let's see what it says. Heat, right? We've got the heat on 350 because we're doing, even though it says 400 there, that's for muffins. We need 350 because we're doing it in the big loaf pan. Drain the blueberries. We did. Now it says rinse them in cold water, set them aside. I don't think I'm not gonna rinse them in cold water. Just don't care if the batter gets a little blue. But we do have this, which we might do something with. This, the blueberry juice. I don't know. Now it says, together with water, oil, eggs, and muffin mix, stir the blueberries and gently stir in the blueberries. For loaf, spread batter into lightly greased 8 1/4 inch loaf pan. Do not eat raw batter. Right. So We have greased this pan just lightly. But that's okay. So we can always add a little more of that. Okay, we've greased the pan. Now we have to put in 2 eggs. Oh, right on London. Can't get rid of the World War II eggs thing. Oh, right on Starlight 13. Hopefully Hogan got out. Maybe these weird eggs. I forgot what they're called. Heritage eggs, some weird name. Let's see what they are called. I need more eggs. Oh, heirloom eggs. Weird. Oh my God, this thing it is so thick. It's like solidified. It's some kind of cement. Oh my goodness. How are we going to get this? Gotta put a cloth under here. Provide some friction drag. That's helping. Yep, I think we're gonna have to switch out of this. This is good for a thinner batter. So we're gonna switch to this. Okay, the batter's now mixed up and much better with the spatula. And we're going to put in the blueberries. And we have to fold them in. All right. Okay, so we don't want to smash them in. Just want to kind of... Now, do you remember in the movie Casino, there's a scene where the casino manager there is trying to get the baker to ensure that the blueberries are spread out evenly and mixed evenly throughout the blueberry muffin, so that one muffin doesn't have like 50 berries and the next muffin has only like 5. So that's always an interesting scene, because you get the feeling that, you know, it's a mob guy or mob-like guy trying to create a scenario that maybe seems very difficult. Then again, maybe bakers, anybody out there who's a real baker, could tell me how that works out. Okay, so there's a nicely mixed batter. It's kind of thick. Here's the dog again, I better get her. And now I'm going to put it in this greased pan. And then we're going to put it, well, I'm going to at least start it by pouring in. Okay, well, we've got all of the blueberry muffin batter, which is now going to be a blueberry muffin loaf, into the pan. The oven is preheated to, wow, it's hot, 350. And we're going to put this in. And there we go. I'm going to change this to convection. and let's see what happens. All right. Hey, thanks. We'll be back. Okay, so look at that. It's 4:08 a.m. and the blueberry muffin loaf is now done, and it looks pretty good. Gotta let it cool off. Can't cut into it now. It's piping hot, and so instead of making blueberry muffins, we made a blueberry loaf. So probably tastes yummy. I've had it before, and like I said, we just took it out, so I'll let it cool. Maybe have it in an hour. We'll go hit the hay. Hey, thanks for watching so much, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving coming up. Bye for now from Bobby's Hobbies. Please like and subscribe.